Hey, I'm Karen at the Aromahead Institute. Thank you for joining me on our Aromahead YouTube channel. This blend today is called Peppy Plai Belly Rub Digestion Oil. We all feel better when our digestive systems are running smoothly. And sometimes it's the wrong food combinations, eating too much, or simply feeling stressed that can cause occasional belly distress. Thankfully, Mother Nature can take us from discomfort to comfort with beautiful essential oils. Our blend today is 1 ounce of jojoba wax. We'll be using Plai essential oil, white turmeric essential oil, and peppermint essential oil. Blending a recipe that has stellar therapeutic properties, it doesn't have to be hard. This recipe, it's easy and it's one that you will love. So our first ingredient is our 1 ounce of jojoba wax. So jojoba wax, of course, is a natural liquid wax. And if you're wondering what the difference between jojoba oil and jojoba wax is, they're actually exactly the same thing. And you'll see it's a liquid. When you get it cold, it will turn into a solid. So we'll add our jojoba wax just about right up to here. It lends itself really well to topical blends because it has a really long shelf life, way over 20 years in fact, and it absorbs into our skin really nicely. It doesn't leave that greasy feeling, and it's really a nice carrier for our essential oils. Our next oil that we'll be using is Plai oil. This Plai comes from the central part of Thailand and it's distilled from the roots and rhizomes. So we'll be adding 5 drops of Plai. Plai is part of the botanical family Zingiber, which the ginger family of flowering plants comes from. The aroma is spicy, exotic, it's herbaceous, and this oil is cooling instead of warming and well known for relieving occasional painful situations, as it's calming for hot and inflamed areas. Plai also has the natural ability to discourage unwanted microbes and is often used during a cold or flu. Our next oil is white turmeric, and we'll be putting in 5 drops of our white turmeric. White turmeric, it's also in the ginger family, but it has a lot more in common with ginger than it does turmeric, even though it's called white turmeric. This beautiful oil comes from Nepal, and it's in the foothills of the Himalayan mountains, and it's also distilled from the roots and rhizomes. So the aroma, it's earthy, slightly spicy and fresh, with a hint of camphor or a eucalyptus scent. This oil has a high percentage of a ketone called carcinoid. We are so excited to see research being done on this component for its potential benefits for some very serious lung conditions. We use this oil to help with supporting a healthy digestive system, easing occasional indigestion, and all that goes along with this. It has a really nice antispasmodic action, which relieves tight, crampy tummy muscles that can even cause nausea. Our third oil is a well-known oil, peppermint. We'll be adding 3 drops of peppermint to our blend. 1, 2, 3. So peppermint, it's cooling in lower dilutions, and it's really calming for an upset stomach. So many times when dealing with tight, spasmodic conditions, easing the emotions can have a positive effect to help bring the physical back into balance. And all 3 of these oils can cool anger or bring peace and calm to those experiencing situational anxiety, which contributes to an overall sense of stability and well-being. To use this blend, now that it's made, you'll want to gently go back and forth, and you can see it if you're looking at it, the essential oil suspended in the jojoba oil. So you'll want to shake that around gently until it's very well blended. And of course, take a whiff of it. So to use this blend, I like to put it on my hands and go in a clockwise motion, gently rubbing the belly area. And then when you're finished, remember Inhale the scent that lingers on your hands, as inhalation is a very effective way to encourage healthy digestion and settle that upset belly. So if you've enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.